What's good, y'all? Welcome back to another trading video. Now, today's video will be a recap. Today I did go 2-0 in the markets, and both of them were on E-mini Russell. I ain't gonna lie, like E Russell been feeding me lately. No cap. So let's get straight into it. First things first, you already know how I operate. Once I woke up, check news and all that, and I'm hopping on my higher time frame to check direction. Now, I woke up on this candlestick right here. So on the hourly, I see we're above the 200, which means I'm looking for buys. Simple. Now we drop down to the 15. Once again, this is the candle right here. On the 15, I see this liquidity grab right here. This right here, this wick, and so I'm like, okay, that's a great sign. That's what I like to see. So I've dropped down to my 5. Okay, we're over here. Now the 5, this is exactly how it's looking. Messy. EMA's all messed up. 200 is flat. I wasn't really messing with it. So I went back to my 15. The 15 just looked more cleaner, and I just took the risk on the setup. Not really a risk because, once again, like I told y'all, if I don't have an S&D, liquidity grabs can replace my S&Ds. So I entered on the 15 this time. So yeah, liquidity grab, y'all know my rule. Once it crosses above EMA, enter, stop loss below the candle, and we took that. Wow, hit. Okay, now after this one hit, that was trade 1. Okay, now I was a little hesitant on taking a second trade because I didn't want to get my profit back to the markets, but then I saw this occur. You see, it went up. That was my first trade. When it went up and broke this high, I marked this S&D on the 5-minute, right? As y'all can see, it came down right here, came down into the S&D, and what did it do? Broke it above the EMA again. So what did I do? I entered. That's my setup. I'm taking it every time. And like so, we went 2 for 2, just like that, back to back. And I was done for the day. That's the trade right there. That's literally it. That's the breakdown. So again, hourly is for direction and trend. If we're above 200, I'm looking for buys. If we're below, looking for sales. Preferably, I want to be in the same direction across all 3 time frames. So 15-minute, I want to be above the 200. Okay, the 15-minute is where I mark my S&Ds, and the 5-minute is my entry time. But with experience, you may dibble and dabble. The strategy works across every time frame. So with experience, you could do what I did today and enter on the 15 instead of the 5 if it looks cleaner. But yeah, y'all, that's it for today's video. Went 2-0, and I'll catch you on the next one. Simple.